If you just got a used iPhone or you've had your iPhone for a while and you're struggling with the iCloud activation lock, I'm here to show you two different ways that you can overcome that iCloud activation lock, unlock that iPhone, be able to use it normally, log into your Apple account, the whole deal. Now, you might see a screen that looks like this. It says iPhone locked to owner. The location of this iPhone can be seen by its owner. Or it might say something like this: forgot your password, account locked, confirm your phone number to request access to this account. Or it might look a bit different from these two screens. Essentially, this is an iCloud activation lock. This is to protect the iPhone in case it is stolen, or if you bought it from somebody and that iPhone was stolen by the other person. I'm going to walk you through some steps if you've had that iPhone for a while yourself, but also some steps if you've basically bought an iPhone and when you go to set it up, it shows you a screen that looks like this, meaning they didn't wipe the phone back to factory settings. They just left their iCloud logged in. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is find another device. So you can find another iPhone, another Mac computer, an Android. It really doesn't matter what the device is. It just needs to be able to connect to the internet. And from here, you're going to search for iCloud activation lock. Again, iCloud activation lock. And the nice thing is that Apple themselves provide two ways to be able to unlock it if there is an activation lock. So we're all doing this above the board. There's no hacking. There's no sketchiness. These are just Apple support tools. So tap on activation lock and make sure it says apple.com. From here, the first option, let's walk through, is if you have that iPhone, you've owned it for a while, you maybe just forgot your Apple ID password. So you can see it says if you've forgotten your Apple account password or need help recovering an Apple account you can no longer access, you can reset it using this link. So it says reset your password at I forgot. Just tap on that button and you'll be able to see it brings me over to this page. It says forgot password, verify your account. Tap on the reset password button. And you can see it says reset your password, or it might look different, of course, because you'll be on a different device, not the actual iPhone that has that iCloud activation lock. So I'm going to hit help someone else, and you'll be able to see it looks like a screen like this. So you'll enter in the phone number or email address associated with that account. Again, it's usually the phone number for that iPhone, or it's the email address associated with your Apple ID account. On here, after you enter that in, it will walk you through steps to be able to just reset the password, and then you can get back into your account and everything should be good. You'll unlock that activation lock. However, let's say the alternate scenario, and most of you are probably in this scenario, where you just bought an iPhone and you wanted to go through the steps of setting it up, but there's that activation lock still on there. Let me get out of here and go back. I'm going to go back to this screen, the turn off activation lock screen. And if you scroll down, it says need additional support, start activation lock support request. So you can choose a personally owned device. Most people have personal devices. Of course, if this is for a business, you can choose that, but tap on for personally owned device if it's just your personal iPhone. Now, it does walk you through some reasons why they either will or will not be able to do this. It does say you must be the owner of that new device. Of course, it can't be stolen or marked as lost, and you will need the IMEI or MEID number. Of course, you can't basically open up the phone and go to the settings to find that, so you'll see it on the physical box of that iPhone. Your device data will be erased, so that iPhone, all the data will be erased. We can't unlock a managed device. So if it's managed by a school or a business and it has a management profile, they won't unlock it. And then the device must not be in lost mode. Lost mode essentially means the owner of that iPhone marked it as lost, aka stolen or lost, and you won't be able to unlock it if that's the case. However, after you've gone through all that and all of that checks out, just scroll to the bottom and tap on I agree to these terms and tap continue. It says, all right, what's your email address? What is the serial number / IMEI number of that iPhone? Again, of course, you can't go into the settings to be able to find that. So the alternate place to find that is on the physical box itself. On the back of the box at the bottom, it's written in fine print. And then just type in the characters. And essentially, you'll send this support request to Apple. They'll get back to you usually within a day. They're usually pretty responsive, and they'll go through the process of unlocking or removing that iCloud activation lock. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.